Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And here we have x4 plus x square equals -1, and we solve this problem for the values of x. So you see here, this is the highest power of this equation is 4. It means that this equation has 4 roots or 4 solutions. So now we find that 4 solutions or 4 roots. Okay. So here first we rewrite this equation as in this form, and now here we move this -1 in the left hand side and we write this x to the power 4 as x square whole square. This is +1, and now we write this plus x square, and this whole equation equals to 0. And now in the next step we again rewrite this equation as x square whole square, plus we write this one as 1 square plus this x square equals to 0. And here we need a nice square identity, and you know about this identity. If we have a plus b whole square, it is equals to a square plus b square plus 2 times of ab. Here we need this nice square identity. You see here our a is x square, our b is 1. And now we need this is a square and b square, and here in order to complete this formula we need this term to ab. Okay, so that in order to make this term to AB, here I can just add and subtract the term 2 into x square into 1 in order to make this term. Okay, so here we write this equation as x square whole square plus 1 square plus 2 times of x square into 1 and minus 2 times of x square into 1, and this is our plus x square, and this whole equation equals to 0. Okay, so now you focus on the first 3 terms, and you see here a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the formula. Okay, so now we write it in combination form. So we combine all these terms and we write it as x square plus 1 whole square, and here you have minus 2x square and plus x square. When you add these two terms, then you get minus x square equals to 0. Okay, so after that here we need another square identity, and we know that if you have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. Here we need this nice square identity. So we use this nice formula to the above equation, and our above equation is written as x square plus 1 whole square. We have a minus b. Okay, so here our a is x square plus 1 and b is x only. Okay, this is the first factor, and the second factor is x square plus 1 minus x equals to 0. So now we make two cases here. The first case is we take x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. The second case is we take x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. So we call this is our equation number 1, and we call this is our equation number 2. So here we solve these two equations simultaneously, and we easily get the values of x. So that first we focus on equation number 1, and our equation number 1 is implies that x square plus x plus 1 equals 0. So you see here this is quadratic equation, and now we use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. First we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 1. And quadratic formula is written as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our nice quadratic formula, and now we substitute the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it is written as x is equals to minus b. So the value of b is 1 plus minus square root of b square b is 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1 divided by 2 times of a is 1. Okay, so now you see here, this is minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square equals to 1 minus 4 divided by 2. So this is equals to minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So here we write this equation as x is equals to minus 1 plus minus. We know that when a negative sign becomes inside the square root, it will be written as iota form. So okay, so these are the two solutions or two roots of the given equation. And now in order to find the other roots, we need to focus on equation number 2. So our equation number 2 is implies that x squared minus x plus 1 equals 0. So again we write the coefficients of this equation. These are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 1 and c equals to plus 1. So here we write the quadratic formula. It is x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. So here we need to substitute the values of a, b and c, and we get x equals to minus b and the value of b is minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 1 divided by 2 times of a is 1. And now in the next step we have x is equals to minus times of minus becomes plus 1 plus minus square root of minus 1 square equals to plus 1 and minus 4 times of 1 is 4 divided by 2. And now in the next step we have x is equals to 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So again we have the negative sign becomes inside the square root, so we write it as 1 plus minus square root of 3 iota and it is divided by 2. So these are the other two roots of the given equation. And now finally we have the four roots of the given equation are: first root is minus 1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. Second root is x2 equals minus 1 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. Third root is 1 plus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. And final and fourth root are x4 equals 1 minus square root of 3 iota divided by 2. So these are the final four roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.